This brand offers a wide selection of models that can be purchased directly through their website or on Amazon. The MSA3S model is a 3-stage purifier with a 3-speed fan that can be controlled with the MS Pure app or through Alexa voice commands. It has a 420 square feet coverage area with a 112 CFM delivery rate and an auto mode where the fan speed is controlled by the air quality sensor. The MSB3 model is a mini desktop unit with a 300 square feet coverage and a 60 CFM delivery rate, while the MS120 desktop model has a 529 square feet coverage area with a 71 CFM delivery rate. The MS50 model includes aromatherapy pads, a night light, a 4-speed fan, and a 353 square feet coverage area with a 47 CFM delivery rate. The MS18 model is a 4-stage unit with the inclusion of a silver ion filter, while the MS600 model is a large 3-stage unit with a coverage of 2,647 square feet, a 4-speed fan, and a delivery rate of 353 CFM. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.